Then we get into the dreaded D section. And most students that I've taught this to really don't like this section. It involves a constant monotonic bass on the 5th string, then 6th string, then D string. So bar to 5th fret on the 1st and 2nd strings. And we're going to use our little finger and 3rd finger to walk the melody notes, which is. Then. So we add the bass notes in. So, starting once again. So we rotate those back and forth. It's just a forward roll. Then we back it. So it's kind of a split roll there. So once again, we have monotonic bass on the A string, then 6th string. And then when we get over into the D form here, we come over to the 4th string. So we start off with the 5th string, 6th string, then up to D. And I would suggest that you mute in the bass strings or else it'll just overpower it. A little different the second time through. Then we start turning around. This is the walk down. C chord here, G chord, B flat, to F. Then I use this kind of little non-rooted 6th chord here. So you have 1st finger on 5th string, 2nd fret, 3rd finger on 3rd fret, 4th string, 2nd finger on 2nd fret, 3rd string, and then little finger on 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Give it kind of a little quiver there. So we have. Then you just go straight through the guitar from the 5th string through. So once again. Turn it around. Now, the next part, some people will sharp this. They'll go up a half a step and start it at C sharp. In the original recording, I think they did that, but I've heard a lot of recordings since then people have done, where they just take it to the natural major of the key, because we're in A minor. Natural major of our key would be C. And I don't know any fingerstyle guitar player that doesn't want some open strings involved. So I take it to just the C natural chord. And we have this going on. And then I take it to a minor chord. The original recording has a major. I just like the sound of the minor. You do what you feel is best for you. So we try this once again. Then we move this up to the E flat. There's no easy way to get to this chord. So we have a D shape, we use with the 1st and 2nd fingers, and then we have to come down with the 3rd finger on the 5th fret on the 4th string, and then the little finger on the 6th fret on the 5th string gives you the E flat. And we do the same riff. Forward roll to a G sharp, then back, then repeat it. And then we turn it. Same turnaround. So let me do this one more time for you. C chord, forward roll, F minor, once again, F minor, up to the dreaded E flat chord, to G sharp. Again. Forward roll. Then turn it. C, G, B flat, F. And then we have our turning chord. Now there is an alternative to this E flat chord here. If you don't want to make this big stretch, you have a ligament problem or something like that, or if the stretch is just too hard to get to, you can do E flat here. So it's just C. Major chord that is, the root note is in the 5th string. So the chord forms at the 6th fret, and you can do the same thing. It's your call. The next part, we have a monotonic bass going on the whole time on the 5th string. We start with the A minor chord, and we're doing some little hammer-on pull-offs and some more hammer-on.